Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So in today's video, I'm going to tell you all about how to prep your skin properly before any makeup application, what tools to use, and I'm also gonna do a very quick under 5-minute makeup application. So let's get right into it. So I think it is super important to really prep your skin before any makeup application. It's something I do all the time on all my celebrity clients before a red carpet event or on a photo shoot, or even on myself if I have a little extra time, because it just gives a really great foundation to your skin. It gives you a beautiful glow. It will also help with the longevity of your makeup. Now, I partnered up today with an amazing brand called Refa. I love their tools. I use them all the time for my clients, for red carpet events, and on myself. So I will do a very quick and easy makeup application, and I will also show you in this video how I use their tools. All right, so the first tool by Refa is brand new. It just came out. It's called the Refa Mist. It's so gorgeous. It feels so luxurious. And basically, you have this mist with a CO2 cartridge inside right here. Then this little bottle you fill with the jewel mask. You fill it right in here, and then you have this little air button. Once you push the little air button, the jewel mask will turn into a mist. And once you mist your face with it, it just immediately hydrates your face. It gives you a gorgeous glow, and it feels really, really hydrating on your face. So hydration is so important for the skin, and it really will help with, when you apply your foundation, when the longevity for your makeup. If you apply your foundation with just dry skin, it will just not glide on, it will look really cakey. So that's why I always say just really make sure, prep your skin, use the right serum, use the right moisturizer, and this Refa Mist will really help with just giving you an all-over facial and an all-over moisture, and just bring some glow into your skin. So what the Refa Jewel Mask will do, the ingredients are amazing. It has elastin and collagen and this really beautiful pearl extract. So the elastin and the collagen are really firming and tightening for your skin, while the pearl extract will give you this beautiful glow. All right, so I just filled my jewel mask right in here. I usually do it halfway because I don't want to get any of the product to waste. And then all you do is push the little button right here and make sure you're about 10 inches away from your face. And then I like to start in my décolleté area, and I work my way upwards. And so I push the button, and then I just work my way upwards, go in my jawline, underneath my eyes, forehead, oh my god, this feels so amazing. It feels so cooling. So I'm going to do the other side. Feels so good. So as you can see, it gave me this instant glow. I feel like I just gave myself a at-home facial, and this is definitely something I would be using on set or on some of my celebrity clients, because I really want to create that type of glow in someone's skin before I do any makeup application. I really like how it kind of filled in my little fine lines and wrinkles. And it's definitely something I would also use if I would be on set for a couple of hours and I feel like my client has been wearing makeup and a lot of powder, and just to kind of refreshen the makeup, I would go in with this device to sort of refreshen the whole makeup and just give it a little bit more of like a boost or a little bit of a pick-me-up. And the other thing I really love about this mist is that the hydration really lasts up to 24 hours. So again, really great for onset or any kind of makeup application. So the next device I'm really excited to share with you guys, and I think you guys have seen me use this before. It's the Refa 4-carat roller. I use this on myself. Again, I use it when I'm at work, on set, for any kind of like celebrity red carpet events. Over Oscar season last year, I prepped every single one of my clients with this device because everyone loves the way how it feels. This is really great because it's designed to mimic the same movement like you would get from a real esthetician, like a real massage. And especially in the times we're in right now during the pandemic, and you don't really have the chance to go out and see a professional esthetician, you can do this at home. And what it does, it like immediately gives you like some contour to your face. It feels really good. It depuffs your face, and it just feels overall amazing to your skin. And you can also use it on your body if you want to. The other day I had worked out very heavily, and I was really sore in my shoulder, so I just sat in front of the TV and like really like massaged my shoulder, and it felt immediately so much better. And what's really great, it's platinum coated and it's waterproof. That means you can use it in the shower, and it's super easy to clean. It has a solar powered microcurrent which helps produce collagen in your skin. You will never have to charge it, and it's always ready to use. So I like using my roller right after the mist, and the way how I always start in the décolleté area. I like to start in the outer corner right here, and then I work my way upwards. I also like to start in the middle of my chin and work my way upwards towards my ear. Always think about going upwards, and then I go where my mouth is right here. I go all the way up. Make sure you go underneath your eyes. And then I do my forehead like that. And you can see immediately my face gets a little bit red, which is a good thing. We want our skin to get a little bit of blood flow going, which is a good thing. It will give you that immediate glow. It's really great underneath the eyes. I love using it, especially on a client who has maybe been traveling or who didn't have enough sleep the night before and who is puffy. So you can just sort of like massage that area underneath the eyes and make it more smooth. Alright, so I started with the Refa Mist to give my skin some hydration and a beautiful glow, and then I went in with my Refa 4-carat roller, and now I feel like my skin is all hydrated and it has, you know, some blood flow going, and it feels really hydrated and glowy. I'm gonna do a super easy 5-minute makeup application. Alright guys, so I just did a super easy under 5-minute makeup application. It's kind of like the makeup I love to wear every day. And I want to quickly mention, if you are, if you want to refresh your makeup, if you've been wearing it for a couple of hours, you can just go in with your Refa Mist and freshen up. I would also use the Refa Mist on set if I'm working. If I have a client who has been wearing makeup for a couple of hours and I've been powdering the person over and over again, a mist is fantastic. It immediately brightens and refreshes your face, and I can't wait for you guys to try it. So thank you guys so much for watching. I hope that you enjoyed all these new tools by Refa. I love using them. They're amazing. They're a staple in my pro kit and in my personal makeup kit. And if you have a chance to try those tools out, maybe take some photos, tag me on Instagram. And as always, don't forget to like, subscribe, and I see you in the next one.